Hi all, today I am sharing the recipe to make easy chicken malai tikka. The recipe is very easy and the chicken turns out super yummy, super juicy and super delicious. So let's start. Here I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken. I have already marinated it with some salt and turmeric powder, kept it for 10 minutes. For the second marination, here I am taking half cup of cashews. These are broken cashews and I am adding 2 green chilies. If you want more spicy, you can add more green chilies. Also adding 3/4 spoon of China salt or MSG. This gives a nice flavor to the kebabs. Also adding 1 spoon of cumin seed. I did not have cumin powder, so adding cumin seed. If you have cumin powder, you can use it. Adding 1 spoon of coriander powder, half spoon of garam masala powder and half spoon of black pepper powder. Now also going to add 1 spoon of ginger paste, 1 spoon of garlic paste. Also adding 1/4 cup of yogurt and 1/4 cup of fresh cream. So these are the ingredients for the marination. I'm going to grind this into a smooth paste. I'm going to add this into the chicken and give it a good mix. Now mix the chicken nicely with the masala. Also into this I am going to add some kasuri methi and white pepper powder around half spoon. This is optional. I'm going to mix everything nicely and let it marinate for at least 2 hours. If you have more time, you can marinate it for more time. It will give a nice flavor only. Now time to fry it. Usually we fry our kebabs, shallow fry our kebabs in oil, but do fry this kebab in ghee. I'm sure you will be amazed with the flavor. I'm taking 1 spoon ghee and adding it to a heated pan. Now I'm going to fry the kebabs on the ghee. I'm going to lay one side and I'll see when the kebab changes its texture. I'm going to flip and cook on the other side as well. To cook it from inside, I'm also going to cover it and let it cook on medium to low flame for 3 to 4 minutes or until it is nicely done, and then shallow fry on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. So once you see the kebabs are done, you can serve it hot. I'm sure you will love this recipe. Do give it a try, and if you like the recipe, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Also, do share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.